Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So here we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage, guys. You have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to work on the fuse box that's right inside your cabin on the passenger side in the food well. Right here by that kick panel, you remove the plastic, and once you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses, relays. That way, guys, you will not waste your time and money on things you don't need. So let's go ahead and explain that now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So on your Ford vehicle specifically, guys, you will have different kinds of fuse boxes and relays. Let me show you now. For instance, okay, this one right here, that's the front fuse box under the hood, and those could be really hard to find, expensive, overpriced. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price and quick shipping as well for your convenience. The fuses that we'll need to check for the brake light switch, or also known as brake paddle position switch. First fuse will be number 4, that 5M fuse right here, that's fuse number 4. And then we will need to find fuse number 14, which will be that fuse that's known as fuse number 15, because they go like that, 14, 15. Okay, so that fuse right here will need to be checked as well, guys. Those two fuses are for the brake paddle position switch. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.